Let's get clear on what the use of funds are. You don't have to go with working capital all the time. Make sure you know that there's a wide variety of uses of funds. When you're talking to banks and you give bankers everything that they need to lobby on your behalf to push a loan through, let's get as specific as possible. Let's say we want to pay taxes. Let's say we've got a marketing budget that we're trying to get off the ground. I had several clients early 24 or 25 that were all looking to double down on marketing. And I put marketing as their use of funds so many times. We collaborated and came up with, their need was marketing and expansion. Um, and sometimes it was onboarding new staff. There was a logistics company that I worked with. So we were very specific. We didn't just say working capital every time. We got specific. And again, that lets underwriters know that we're truly in business. We're not just making a lot of this stuff up.